Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kerry. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I've kind of lost my voice a little bit today, so bear with me. I can't believe this is the final video, but we're here. We're at the end. This is the final video of my homesteading series. For those of you that have been tuning in, commenting, showing those videos a lot of love, I so appreciate you. I'm losing my voice, but we're gonna get through this video. Being able to share these homegrown, loved, and used recipes with my couture fam here on YouTube has been such a privilege. For our final video, we are going to be making liquid laundry soap together. I shared previously my my powder version of this. If you haven't seen it, check it out here. I have a playlist with all of my homesteading videos. So the difference with this recipe is you do have to let it sit overnight. It requires a few extra steps, but it's still fairly easy to make. And it makes about 3.5 of these. It's kept kind of cool, so you can see it's kind of like a gel consistency. I use about 2 tablespoons, 4 for large loads or really soiled items. You'll see in the video, Pete wrote 2 to 4 on the jar, and Permanent Maca, just so when he does laundry, he always forgets how much to use. So when you see that on the video, it's just Pete's cute little kid writing. If you feel like something is really, really soiled, I would just do the max 4. If you go above that, you're just wasting it. Your mileage will vary, so definitely test it out. Anyway, without further ado, please enjoy this final video in my homesteading series, Homemade Laundry Soap. Thank you so much. I'm gonna rinse this pot of the laundry soap under cold water because I've seen a lot of comments online and people have even DM'd me saying that DIY laundry soap is not good because it doesn't rinse in cold water, and that is not true. So I'm going to show you here. I'm just taking a paper towel. It's cold water. I'm just kind of wiping it off, and I can show you that it dissolves really well in cold water, hot water. It really doesn't matter. So I've got some soap here. Just going to run the cold water on it. It just rinses right off. I didn't even need to scrub it. So I wanted to show this because I know it's DIY laundry soap is a very controversial topic on YouTube. And to be honest, if it works for you and you enjoy it, it doesn't matter. Who cares? Like, you're not in my house. You're not doing my laundry. So I love this recipe. It's really easy. It saves me a lot of money. It is tried and tested, and I'm sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed this DIY laundry soap. I love this. Our clothes always come out smelling fresh. They're very clean and it saves money. So if you're into it, check it out and let me know if you make this. Until the next one, I'll see you then.